Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a typewriter text effect using Kinemaster and Pixellab. So let's start. Let's open Pixellab and set the preset to YouTube thumbnail. Next is we're going to add text. Let's change the font to our prepared style. So let's adjust the spacing. Set the color. Let's make the background transparent and then save. So after that, we are going to make the cursor. So we're going to add letter I and the transparent foreground and then save. Step is we're going to open Kinemaster, create a new project. Then we're going to import background, so it's up to you if you're going to choose color white or any color you want for the background. Then we're going to import the text that we made a while ago from Pixellab. So after that, we're going to add an animation to our text. So we're going to add wipe right and let's adjust the timing. After that, we're going to add an animation to our cursor. So So we're going to use the key animation and let's adjust the animation just like I did. That's it. We're done. So let's see the output for this one. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you have learned something in the video. If you have suggestion or recommendation,